Howdy YouTube. Quick video here. I wanted to show off this Rapido operating beacon. Here's the number. Someone mentioned this in the comment section on one of my other videos. I'll try and find that, link it here. And so I ordered one up, and now I'm going to show you guys what it all comes with. So this is the main little light guy here with this mini circuit board, and then these two power wires go to like 9 to 12 volts. And it also came with, here are the other little parts it came with. It came with 3 different lenses, yellow, blue, red. I think this guy's supposed to go under the lens, and then 2 mounting. This would be like a flat mounting, and then this is one like if it's curved. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect up 12 or 9-volt battery here. We'll try out and see what we get. That's not really focusing very well, is it? Let's see if I can get that to focus better. There you go. Pretty cool. So I've got an idea of where I want to install this. Okay, here's where I plan on installing. Right there. It's an Intermountain F7. I think I've had videos of this before. Okay, so I got the shell opened and kind of forgot what was all going on in here. So what I need to do is I need to connect this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This pad way over here. No, this pad right here. That's function 4. That'll be the minus side. And then this is a common right here. I'm going to go ahead and use that for the plus. So I'm going to run over to the test track, make sure this works how I expect it to. Okay, so I managed to get it all hooked up here. I had to make a couple other changes, do a few things that weren't related here. I'll show you. Okay, so here I have the red and black wires connected to the decoder here and here. This resistor was already on here, and I tried it and it seemed to work fine, so that's what I went ahead and went with. Now I just need to drill a hole in the top of the shell to mount this. So I'll probably do that off camera. It's going to be hard to catch all that. Here it is after I just tested it out. Let's see if we can do a zoom in there. I can't get it to focus there. I had to drill a 1.5 millimeter hole in the top of my train. I wasn't too happy about that, but yeah, that's how big it had to be for the whole thing to, or not the whole thing, but just the light bulb part to fit up through there. Okay, here it is, all put back together again. I basically, since I showed it last, just glued it on the roof and then tried to use a little glue to patch in the hole, the giant hole I had to drill. So, yeah, I think if I had to do it over again, maybe I would have trimmed the 3 little feet so it didn't stand up quite so tall. I don't know, it looks pretty cool, especially from a distance. Okay, here I have it in comparison with the old style beacon I've used in the past. Is that showing up on the camera? I'm gonna try some different angles here. Ah, the camera makes the other beacon look like it's barely on. Same with the headlights. Okay, here's the attempt to show it at night. Well, there it is. I'm impressed. Although, I guess 2 things I didn't love about it. One is the price. I dropped about $30 on that. So, yeah, it's cool, but yeah, $30. The second thing is you have to drill a pretty good sized hole in the top of your train to pass the light bulb up through. Yeah, it was either that or cut and splice those 5 little tiny wires, which, no way, I'm not going to do that. So, yeah, I like it. I'm not going to be rushing out and replacing all of my old beacons like that. But I'm impressed. I don't know, what do you think? Put some comments below, let me know. And thanks for watching.